Hello, thanks for being here. I would love to introduce you all to my favorite, all of my favorite brushes and how I take care of them. I love to rearrange them separately, like most frequently used brushes and less frequently used brushes and old brushes separately. And it is always better to have all your brushes very handy as you compose. So I use the old brushes to make senna and shrubs, or something which I want a texture effect. So that is when I use make use of them, and they're all favorites, so I don't want to throw any of them. So sometimes I spend more than an hour and a half with them. So at least I get to know there are so many brushes sometimes I've not used, so I would love to use all of them. So in this video there are two compositions. One is the most requested one, rose painting. I leave the link for various other rose painting which I've done in different shades and slight variations. The second painting is all about seaside painting, and the highlight in that painting is, for sand I've used semolina mixed with fevicol for texture. It is pretty good. It's very intact. It isn't chipped off. In case you all feel, in case you have questions regarding that, whether it will fall off, no, it is very intact. And once you frame that, we are not going to fiddle with that, right? So I think it's going to be very intact. Taking care after your composition is also very important. Taking care of your brush, yeah. So immediately once I finish the painting, I rinse them under the running water. Then I wash them with hot water using hand wash and shape them with my fingers and leave them to dry. And do not leave your brush facing towards your chisel, because they will bend and your chisel will get spoiled. Because brushes are very expensive and they're worth the investment, because once your brushes are good, your composition is going to be really beautiful. Yeah. So hope you liked and today hope you liked today's video. Both the composition, they both have been uploaded as shorts, and in case you want to watch them in detail, you can watch here. Watch it completely, so that there are some details being added, like water drops and how you can make the nerve of the leaf, and so for that you have to watch it completely. So if you like it, please do share, like, comment, and stay tuned for more. I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care and bye bye. So this is how it looks. So it's very handy. I just have to pick one cup and keep next to me as I compose. And sometimes in the process of composition, you want to use something different kind of a brush, or sometimes that is the time where the ideas just flow. So it is always handy to have all your tools next to you as you compose. So I've used chart paper for this composition, and for the second composition I've used canvas sheet. That is pretty easily available in all stationery stores. Sorry, it's not stationery. You can get them online, Amazon or Flipkart. You get a pack of 25 to 30. It is about 380, or maybe the prices have gone up slightly, about 400 rupees for a set. Yeah. So I leave you here. Enjoy this painting and take care. Bye bye.